Hi everybody. I am going to do a flip and drag with silicone on an 8 by 10 inch canvas. Give you a minute to read that while I put my gloves on. Hold on. I have a project in the makings for you guys that probably you still won't see for a few days after this one because it is an insanely multi-step process that I have somebody I met, I think JD's Creative on Instagram. I'm copying her and it's a lot of steps, and I did an art trade with her. Oops. And now I know what it costs to send a large MDF to Canada. But I told her for now that I'm trying her technique, for the amount of time that it takes, she should be charging like $2 million a painting. Because it's a set and I only have one done. It's taken me like 3 days. So anywho, the other night I was down here. I just kind of wanted some peace and quiet. Didn't feel like painting. I ended up mixing paints all night. I had a big thing of this light violet Liquitex Basic. So I mixed it with phthalo green and got this pretty color. Then I mixed it with deep violet and I got this nice color. And then I mixed Prussian blue with, I had a metallic-y kind of blush color, and that's a really cool color. And then I've got my Prussian blue with Payne's gray, but I added the rest of the glitter glue that I had. So, alrighty. And as I said, I am adding silicone to this pour, and I've been finding that I've been using these little cups for white with silicone, and so I decided I'm just going to make kind of a bigger one that I can cap it so I'm not wasting so much. Alrighty, so I'm going to start my flip cup. I don't want too much, it's only an 8 by 10 canvas. Such a pretty violet. But yeah, if you're ever feeling stressed, just mix paints. I think it's probably also the physical act of just stirring them and seeing the colors that's calming. Isn't this a cool color? I use a lot of it. It's so cool. Just gonna let that kind of sit in there. You can see it sinking in. Oops, but I want to. This is the part I forgot. I want to try and do sides first. Gosh, the paint. Normally the paint smell, like I can't even smell it, but tonight it's really bugging me. Oh my gosh. Such beautiful colors. I think I'm in love with that Prussian blue and the blush. Unfortunately, the blush, I don't know what I used to make that. But wow, these colors are amazing. So hopefully I don't ruin it by over tilting. Beautiful, like butterfly wing. Ooh, it's looking cool. Stretch it out. Stretch it down though. I don't really like that thing. You can see I'm kind of going back and forth in the same area to keep it centered. Not letting it get too off track in one direction. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So then I am just going pretty, pretty, pretty. It's getting eaten by cells. I should have figured that would happen. Maybe they won't get too bad. Ooh, but that's pretty. Those cells totally ruined my pretty butterfly. I'm gonna change this butterfly up. this is even prettier. Except that I missed a whole entire area. Oh, this is pretty. Hang on, I'm going to do a big swirl. When you go over it the second time, I didn't get all those tiny cells. You can see I did get some here, but these other cells are popping up, which are fine. Touch up the corners. It's pretty. I am just in love with this color. And you can still see a little bit of the green, which is nice. Thank you so much for watching. And oops. And I will catch you all next time. Bye.